I quite like the technical content in the papers. It's usually quite. That's why the title of the event is a workshop. It's not a conference. I quite like the stalls and meeting all the different vendors here, and it's usually a very good networking opportunity as well. Given that a lot of the operations for the North Sea is being done from out of here, so it's always a good mix of both technical and networking opportunities.
Yeah, I come to the event every time, almost every time. We are meeting new customers, seeing new technologies, meeting old friends. There's tons of good reasons for being at this event.
The content seems to be also very interesting and the different topics that are being presented. Certainly the aspect of multi-phase meter is close to what I do, allocation as well, but certainly going into hydrogen measurement and so forth is going to be very insightful.
The event is very important for the community working with flowing gas and oil and gas flow measurement. It's very important to meet and to discuss problems, challenges and new technology.